Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by acquiring a connected texture resource pack that explicitly supports connected glass for Bedrock on PS5. Once downloaded or transferred to console storage, open your world settings and navigate to resource packs. Add the pack to your active packs and make sure it's prioritized above other packs, because pack order determines which textures load. After applying it, save and exit the world. This forces the engine to register the new textures, so you can test connectivity when you re-enter. Once in the world, you need to place identical glass blocks or panes in continuous patterns so the resource pack can swap edges into connected variants. Place glass in runs or panels. Connected textures detect adjacent same ID blocks, so mixing types breaks the effect. Make sure to rebuild any sections that were loaded before the pack was active, because chunk data can cache old textures. If edges still look wrong, return to Settings and confirm the pack is highest priority, then reload the world to force a texture refresh. To finish, reload the world so all chunks re-render with the connected glass textures. Walk around your builds and verify seams are replaced by the connected variants. If not, make sure the pack sits at the top of the resource packs list and reapply it. If connectivity still fails, clear local cache data by closing the game fully or rebuild the problem area by replacing a block to force a chunk update. If none of that works, re-download the pack. Corruption occasionally causes missing connection rules.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.